लोकल केबल ऑपरेटरा बरोबर मीटिंग घेऊन केबल कनेक्टिव्हिटीचो प्रश्न जाग्यार घालात म्हणून उत्तर गोय जिल्लोधिकाऱ्यान BRDS कंपनीक सांगला। जिल्लोधिकाऱ्यान हे गजालीक अमकोच असो वेळ थारावन दिल्लो ना, मात केबल ऑपरेटर्स आनी BRDSन ब्रेस्तारा ह्या विशयाचेर एकठांय मीटिंग घेवपाचें थारायला। गोंयान कांय वाठारांनी लोकांक सध्या केबल चॅनलां सारखी मेळनात।
To submit everything in writing by tomorrow. Okay. So if that does not come, he has already been put on the blacklist. As far as blacklisting, they are already there. So if they do not improve their situation, it will be bad for them only. So we are only emphasizing one fact, that the rights of the consumer have to be protected, and we will, from Goacan side, we will pursue it with all agencies. With all agencies, we are now going to contact MIB advisor Mr. Yogendra Pal at Delhi to intervene if necessary, to come here or give necessary directions from Delhi what is to be done.
Yeah, I really thanks and appreciate Mr. Martin's step towards this cable issue, Roland Martin's towards this cable issue, and the step he has suggested some guidelines for the telecasting services in Goa.
It's not the blame game. If I start telling each and everything, whatever the connections were there, I'll show you my balance sheet, what they have paid and what the connections are having. I don't want to play the blame game. वो लोग क्या पैसा भरे मेरे को मालूम है. What connections they were having and what payments they were doing, I know, and they also know it. It's not to blame game here. It is now high time that we give good service according to the central government regulations. एंटीट्रेड सिग्नल दे के सबका कितना भी कनेक्शन है वो ऑनलाइन दे के टैक्स सब लोग 100% भरना, वो ऐसा हम करने जा रहे। उसके लिए ऑपरेटर का साथ भी चाहिए, इधर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का साथ भी चाहिए। हम मिलजुल के बैठ के हम काम करके गोवा में 10-15 दिन में अच्छा तरह से सिग्नल देंगे।
आता दाबोळे एअरपोर्टाचे एंट्रन्साकूच ड्रग पेडलर वास्को पुलिसांनी बुधवारा सांजे उसरा एकल्याक 4 किलो गांजा सहित रंगे हात धरलो। दल्ला तो माकुंड जाना 62 वर्साचो मूळ ओरिसाचो। ताचे कडल्यान जप्त केल्या त्या 4 किलो गांजाचे मोल जाता सुमार 4 लाख। दल्ला तो माकुंड जाना दाबोळे एअरपोर्टाकडे चालू आशिल्ले ग्रँड सेपरेटराचे कन्स्ट्रक्शन सायटीचेर काम करतालो।
Based on reliable and specific information that one person is selling drugs to customers near Daboli Airport, Vasco police team conducted a raid and caught red-handed one Makund Jana, age 62 years, a native of Ganjam, Orissa, and a labor contractor for a ongoing project at Daboli. He was found in illegal possession of 4 kg ganja, all worth ₹4 lakhs. The accused person was taken into custody. We have seized the ganja and further investigation is in progress to ascertain the source from where he has procured this particular narcotic drug. This is the third case which we have booked for the current year. Our drive against narcotic drive continues and we are determined to conduct further raids and put our best so as to put a stop for the ongoing narcotic trade which destroys the youth and families. That's all I have to say.
मायनिंग स्कॅमाच्या केशीन एक्टिव्हिस्ट काशीनाथ शेटयेन घाल्ल्यो सगळ्यो हस्तक्षेप याचिका पणजेच्या खासा कोर्टान भायर मारल्यो। मायनिंग केशीन आदलो मुख्यमंत्री दिगंबर कामत आनी बाकीचे 4 आरोपींक अटकपूर्व जामीन दिवचो न्ही म्हूण ताणें याचिका घाल्ल्यो। दिगंबर कामतीच्या अटकपूर्व जामीनाचेर कोर्टान 29 जुलयाक सुनावणी दवरल्या।
मायनिंग केशींतल्या 5 आरोपींक अटकपूर्व जामीन दिवचो न्ही म्हूण एक्टिव्हिस्ट काशीनाथ शेटयेन हस्तक्षेप याचिका घाल्ली। कोर्टान शेटयेच्यो याचिका भायर मारल्यो। मायनिंग केशींत आदलो मुख्यमंत्री दिगंबर कामत, मिनेर अर्जुन साळगांवकार, हरीश मेलवानी, आदलो खण संचालक अरविंद लोलयेकार आनी खण खात्याचो आदलो अधिकारी AP डिसोजा हे 5 आरोपी। तांणी केल्ल्या अटकपूर्व जामीनाक विरोध करपाक अर्ज, मात पणजेच्या खासा कोर्टान अर्ज भायर मारलो। मेन मायनिंग केशींत शेटये पार्टी ना म्हूण आरोपींच्या वकिलान आर्ग्युमेंट घाल्लो। मिनेर अर्जुन साळगांवकार आनी हरीश मेलवानीक 24 जुलयाक रिजॉइंडर घालपाक सांगला। आदलो मुख्यमंत्री दिगंबर कामतीच्या अटकपूर्व जामीनाचेर 29 जुलयाक सुनावणी जातली।
Honorable Judge was pleased to reject the application of Mr. Kashinath Shetty, who had filed intervention applications in all the matters. The matters have been posted now. 2 of the matters have been posted for rejoinder after we have filed a reply in the matter, that is of Haresh Melwani and Arjun Sarogar. And 3 matters, Digambar Kamas, D'Souza's and Arvind Lolekar, has been fixed for arguments on merits on the 29th of July.
इतले मजगती कोरगाव पेडणेच्या मायनिंग केशीत आरोपी गितेश नायकाक एसआयटीन अटक केली. गितेश रावपी फोण्या, तो कोरगावच्या बेकायदेशीर मायनिंग प्रकरणात जितेंद्र देशप्रभू बरोबर सह आरोपी. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.